Here's an easy summer project that's guaranteed to keep your kids occupied. This is the idea that my friend sent me to build her daughter a lemonade stand, but I know that I can improve upon it. To build the basic structure of the lemonade stand, I'm going to make these frames, and then I'm going to take these panels here, combined with these panels, put one on the front, one on the back, making them nice and sturdy. Okay, there's one of the side panels. Lightweight, but nice and sturdy. Okay, this is how the panels turned out, and I incorporated feet on these, unlike the one in the picture that just had a flat bottom, because the ground outside is never level. Having very few points that touch the ground is going to make this a lot more sturdy when sitting outside. So now to connect the side pieces so that they fold back behind the front, we're going to need to grab some hinges. We don't really need anything special, just maybe a 2-inch here and a 2-inch there hinge on each point to connect them. So we're going to need 4 hinges. Next, mount your hinges. Now I'm going to attach a couple pieces here so that when these get open, they stop. They have a stopping point. So now we're ready to build a top for the lemonade stand. You could build yours out of absolutely whatever you like. I'm going to use a piece of pre-finished birch and glue on a drop lip all the way around. What I did was set this in so that the legs could open fully up to it on the inside here. And now what I'm going to do is trace a line just like that. So I know where to put some inner pieces, mount them to this top so that it really locks these legs in. Now these pieces do not have to fit exact. And I'm going to put them just shy of my line so if we have any wood expanding, that it is okay. Putting those pieces on the bottom there lock the legs in, so they're really not going to move much. We do want a little bit of play in there so that it can not be super hard to put together. Now the next step is to make the top part. I have these 2 pieces here that I'm going to use, and they're really lightweight on their own. They're flexible, but I'm going to glue them together and make them nice and rigid. And I'm going to use this Super 77 adhesive to stick these 2 together. For the overhead canopy, I cut 4 legs and notched them like this, and then put holes in the top of the counter as well as the canopy so that they would all just slip right in without using tools. Now this lemonade stand's ready to go out to that little entrepreneur for her to paint or decorate however she likes to attract customers. And nobody has to worry about where's this going to go when it's not being used, because you can not only put this together with no tools, but you can also take it apart with no tools and then fold it up for easy storage.